If you're in the mood to spice up your dinner, then maybe you should try something different, like Indian food. Here are 5 dishes to start out with if you want to try something new from India. Number 5, red lamb. You might want to be careful with this dish, but if you can take the heat, then red lamb is for you. That is if you can deal with the fiery red chilies. That's why it's red. However, the heat is toned down by the cream it is served with. Number 4, tandoori chicken. Chicken must be the universal food that unites countries, especially the Indian version of barbecue chicken cooked traditionally in a clay oven. This particular dish has a signature flavor made up of turmeric, coriander seeds, and ginger. It usually comes with lemon wedges on the side as it is served with basmati rice. Number 3, chicken tikka masala. Again with the chicken, but this is quite good. It comes with a thick, creamy gravy that surrounds the grilled bird, which is a tomato yogurt consistent with ginger, garlic, garam masala, and chili. Chicken is marinated overnight and grilled and cooked gently in the slightly smoky gravy. It's usually served with, again, basmati rice. Number 2, butter chicken. You love chicken, right? Well, you shouldn't be afraid to try this dish. This popular meal for Indian takeout consists of tomato puree, ginger, chicken stock, onion, olive oil, garlic, and butter. Number 1, mango lassi. After eating a spicy meal, try this fruit smoothie or milkshake to cool things down. Mango lassi is consisted of fresh mango puree, yogurt, and milk, and a dab of aromatic spices. So, which dish are you interested in trying? Write it in the comments below. If there's a dish I miss, don't forget to mention it. Like and subscribe for more food facts every Friday.